guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Poison Ivy look for you. So if you want to see this look, then keep watching. So I've just gone ahead and applied a moisturizer, and I'm going to take a primer now. And the one I'm using is by Fuchsia, and it's in Velvet Veil, and it just looks like that. I'm just going to take a foundation, and the one I'm going to go in with is by L'Oreal, and it's in their super blendable foundation, and it's in Rose Ivory, and it just looks like that. Using my blending brush by Aoife. Using a finishing powder, and the one I am obsessed with lately is by Aoife, and just this one here, and it is in light to medium, and it just looks like that. And I'm just going to buff that in using the same brush that I used to apply my foundation. I've already gone ahead and filled in one eyebrow, and I'm going to do the other one on camera just so you guys can see what I'm doing. So I'm going to zoom in closer now so you guys can see me do the opposite eyebrow. So first of all, I filled in my eyebrows using a eyeliner in Khaki by MAC, and it just looks like that. So next I'm just going to fill in that eyebrow using a little bit of this green eyeshadow, and this one is in Humidity Frost. I'm just going to take another eyeshadow, and this one is also by MAC, and it is in Green Smoke, and it just looks like that. So next I'm just taking a MAC Pigment, and this one is in Golden Olive, and it just looks like that. So next I'm just going to go in with the NYX Glitter Primer, which is this one here. And then I'm dipping that into a white glitter. So next I'm going to take an eyeshadow primer, and this is by Wet n Wild, and it just looks like that. Another MAC eyeshadow, and this one is in Bitter, and it just looks like that. So it's just this lime green eyeshadow. Take the Humidity, which is this shade here, and I'm just going to apply that to the outer corner of the eyelid. just going to use that Green Smoke, which is this shade here. next I'm just going to take a MAC eyeshadow in black, and this one is in Carbon, and it just looks like that. And I'm just going to apply that to the outer corner. So I'm now going to take a concealer, and this one is by Catrice, and it is in number 5. With Bitter. So I'm just going to go back in with that Golden Olive Pigment. Just add a little bit of that white glitter to the eye as well. So I'm going to apply those eyeshadows to the lower lash line now. I'm just going to leave the eyelashes to the very end, and I'm going to just go in with a little bit of bronzer next, and this one is by the Balm, and it's Bahamama, and it just looks like that. I'm just going to take a blusher, and this one is by MAC, and it is in Margin, and it just looks like that. And as you can see, this is quite an old palette. So next I'm going to apply a liquid highlighter, and this one is by Barry M, and it is in Liquid Fortune, and it just looks like that. Did some Poison Ivy veins on the opposite side as well to balance out the leaf on the top of my forehead. So I'm going to take these false eyelashes, if you guys can see them, and I'm going to apply them off camera, and I'll be right back to you in 2 minutes. So I've just gone ahead and applied some false eyelashes off camera. I'm going to go ahead and apply a lipstick while the glue settles. So I'm going to go ahead now and apply a lipstick, and the one I'm taking today is by Wet n Wild, and it's called Siren's Jewel, and it's the very same lipstick as I used in the mermaid makeup tutorial. So it just looks like that. That's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. If you did, don't be afraid to give me a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Till next time, bye!